You sure you want this old thing? It's perfect, thanks.
Wow. Look at this. Oh my God. This is worse than I thought. Years and years of neglect. All right, let's see what we're dealing with back here. Oh, wow, this is worse than I thought. Look at this mess. I have the van location and details for you. We're here, what's the plan? Let's assess the damage and use the chain on the front axle. Get the pressure washer ready to clear the rust.
Keep it steady. Watch the left cable. Almost there. Careful. Stop the winch. Now secure it.
Restoring a decade-old van from muddy mess to working machine.